Blog, I will tell you and give the overview about how to add custom domain in Microsoft Office 365. We need to follow only 4 steps to verify domain in Microsoft Office 365. Why do we require? The question will be right. Why do we require to add custom domain in Office 365? Because once we have uh, created a admin user to Office 365, the default they will Office 365 will create a default domain. So we need our own custom domain. So need to follow these only 4 steps: add domain, domain name, domain verification, and a connect to domain. And let's to finish. Let's so now let me start the steps how to add custom domain Microsoft Office 365. As you aware about it, Microsoft Office 365 is a cloud-based platform provided by Microsoft. So go to admin.microsoft.com and logging from your admin username and type admin profile. Now, as you can see here, I have typed my admin username and admin password. Once you have logged into Office 365, you can see here here's mentioned Microsoft 365 Admin Center. Where do I have login? I have logged into Office 365 Admin Panel. So just click on once you will log in and just click on Show All. Once you will click Show All, the menus will be expand. Once menu will be expand, click to Setting. Once you will click to Setting, there will be domain option. Click to domain. Once you will click to domain, there will be again menu will be expand. Once menu will be expand, there will be a option to add domain. So here you can add your custom domain and you can verify your custom domain. And before adding custom domain, you need to aware about which domain provider you are working with. You have taken which domain provider. So in my scenario, I took the domain from Godaddy. So I will add in this blog. I will add my custom domain to Office 365 environment. So just click on add domain. As you can see here, you can check over here. I have click over add domain. Once click on over the add domain, I have mentioned here my domain name srcleaning.info. Once I have clicked, just click on use this domain. Once you will click on the use this domain, so there will be a text record, TXT record, direct TXT record because TXT record is a verification proof. Verification. We need to verify the domain. Is it belong to me or not? Once you have add the TXT record to the domain, just click to continue. So here, once you will click to continue, TXT record will be displayed. Need to add DNS. Add in DNS TXT domain name system because how can a provider knew about which domain DNS we are using? So I need to mention this to our domain. So once I have entered my DNS record to GoDaddy, you can check over here. Once I have mentioned over here, I have added my DNS record here, txt add and this domain and custom. Once I have added this DNS, click to verify. Once you have verified, you will come on the connection option and will just need to click on continue. Once you will click on continue, so here you need to add the max record and txt and cn name to your domain provider. So my domain provider is GoDaddy. I will enter all these records and mix add this all record to my DNS. So updating. So here I am updating my DNS record. I have select. Once you will check, click to txt add, and this is my value. Just customize the value and add it. Once you have added, this all record we need to update. Here name I have updated over here and default. Once you have done this, click to update. Once you have update and try to verify domain. Once you have verified domain, you can check over here. Domain setup is completed. Once I have done, domain setup is completed. So once done, these are the only small step, only 4 steps to verify domain in Office 365. What is the purpose we are adding domain to Office 365? Once we have added my domain to Office 365, we can centralize manage my all user like Microsoft Office 365 provide the Exchange server email services, Excel services, MS Word services, Skype services, meeting services. These are and so on and so many feature which is provided by Microsoft. This is a paid services. You need to purchase it, and you can also go for 1 month trial. If you have any kind of question about confusion about Microsoft Office 365 services, please let me know. Thanks for watching.